Hello YouTube, this is Random Good Stuff here, bringing guys back with another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be doing an unboxing of the TeckNet Professional Gaming Keyboard. So this is a backlit keyboard, meaning there are three different backlit colors. One is red, one is blue, and one is a really light purple. To view these colors, I will be adding a clip in this video, so keep watching this whole video to find out how it looks like. So this is compatible with both Windows and Mac, but I recommend you just use it with Windows more, as I have tried it with my Mac, and it is kind of confusing as the buttons are weirdly laid out, and some features such as the sound don't work with the Mac. So this is mainly designed for Windows devices, but Mac it is compatible. So this is the box that it comes with. It is a little bit heavy, but not too heavy right there. Easily pickable like that though. So yeah, very simple box, as you guys can see. Just with the branding, and that's all it is. And then you got your little delivery stuff right here. So if you get unboxing right now, I can show you what's in here. So when you unbox it like this, you're first presented with these. So one is a user manual, and one is to extend your warranty by 2 years. So all you have to do is go onto this website right here, then type in the codes which are on the back of your keyboard, and then you get 2 years free warranty. Here is the user manual, which I highly recommend you guys read, as it does come with some of the key features that some people won't know. For example, how to change the colors, etc., and some of the key features. As I did say again, this is a mechanical keyboard, meaning that when you are typing like this, there are noises which loads of people actually really desire with a keyboard, as it's normally found on the old Dell keyboards, but now people are bringing it back with new keyboards. So this is the keyboard itself right here. Really nice layout. The first thing you see, the first actual thing that catches your eyes are the red keys right here. So the W, A, S, D, and the arrow keys are red. Straight away that makes you think, oh, it's a gaming keyboard, which it is. Then you get the cable right here, which is non-detachable, as you guys can see, is put into here. And one problem with this keyboard, that it is USB 2.0, not USB 3.0, which would have been much better. But depending on the price, as it's only priced at £20, and to where you can purchase this, I'll leave a link in the description. It is only £19.99. But even for an extra £5 or £10, I would have liked a USB 3.0 for the fast transfer speed. So here is the keyboard right there. As you guys can see, the keys are very raised, as you guys can see right there. That is to help with the mechanical feeling, as you guys can see. I will be doing a clip of the sound itself, so you guys can see if it's to your desired sound. Here is the key which you use to change the backlit keys. So the lighting comes from the whole of the keyboard, not just inside the keys. So if you flip the keyboard over, you can see that it comes with a stand right here. So if you want to raise the keyboard a bit higher, and then you got this rubber padding right here to just protect the surface where the keys is. And here are the information which you put in to the website on here to get the 2-3 year warranties. So other than that, that's all it is with this keyboard. I will be now doing a clip of the sound of it, so yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So that was the sound of it. It's really nice sound, and I really like this. And now I'll be showing you guys the clip of the actual LEDs. So let's go ahead and do that. So I've connected it to my broadband, as I didn't want to connect it to my computer right now, as it will be too much of a hassle with my other keyboard. So this is the lighting. So there's an option to turn all the lighting off. And to change the lighting through the 3 colors, you press this button right here. I'm not sure how good the camera will pick it up, as it is quite light out right now, as it's just 1 o'clock in the morning. So if I just press this, it will go to red. or blue, may I say. And then it'll go to red, and then it'll go to some really nice little light purple. Let me just hold the camera and then show you guys. Sorry if this is shaky, but I'm just trying to get the best view of the colors. So this is blue, as you guys can see. Really nice. It does cover the whole length of the keyboard. Then we go to red. Personally, I really like red. It just makes it stand out more, and it does have a nice composition with the red keys right here and there. And now we finally have purple. So that's all of the colors that is. Hopefully, in the future there will be more keyboards with a lot more colors. So maybe an RGB keyboard, and now you have an option to turn it off. As you guys can see, if you don't want the light, you can just turn it off. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Please like, comment down below if you find this video helpful, and don't forget to go in the description and click on the link to where you can purchase this for only £19.99. Yes, you heard that right, £19.99. Most of these keyboards go for around £100-200, but if you're on a budget, I highly recommend this. So thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Please like, comment down below if you find this video helpful. Thank you.